The reason why this group was created, most importantly, is to reach out to the Hispanic community already here. Because unfortunately, we're seeing people that have escaped countries that have implemented socialism and left-wing policies supporting those same ideas here in this country and falling back into the same trap. Yeah. We see it in schools where most of our professors in higher academia are left-wing, and they're indoctrinating our kids from K through 12 and then in college as well. And unfortunately, we have to wake up the Hispanic community in Spanish, by the way. So Univision, Telemundo, espero que estén mirando esto.
And America. Con Eric Bolling.
And what? Con Eric Bolling.
This show.
Huge shout out. Okay. I hope that they allow conservative Hispanics to freely speak on their platforms and present our ideas
How likely is
to
that,
the community. It's very unlikely, but if we call them out on it, I think
we hold them accountable.
Exactly.
Like here right now.
I think they'll be.
So who are we calling out? We're calling out
Univision, Telemundo. Put some of us.
Jorge Ramos?
Any of us
Jorge
on
Ramos?
Put any of us on a live interview. Live. Yeah. So it's not edited. Give us a live interview.
They want a voice on your network, Jorge. What do you say, my friend?
Hablarle a la comunidad hispana en español en sus plataformas y decirle a la comunidad hispana que están votando y apoyando las mismas políticas que los hicieron huir de sus países, aquí votando por los políticos demócratas.
What she said.